What's good? What's good? Washington Heights is the boy Sell. Try to see if I catch the fireworks on 190. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. There we go. Now, a couple fireworks for y'all. They're blowing up fireworks at St. Nicholas 189 too as well. They're blowing up at 189. That's more to St. Nicholas. I can't see because it's on the side of the building. And you can hear that echo all the way. Get a echo all the way from Washington. There goes something right there. Okay. You're catching a couple there. We are on 189. See St. Nick and Washington, as you can see. Hopefully we catch a couple fireworks. That should be popping up through right there on 190 at the Mons block. This here is not too much. It's your boy Sell giving you another one. Washington Heights. Subscribe to the channel, SELT.